In 1908, one car changed the world. It wasn't the fastest, the most luxurious, or the most powerful, but it was the car that made America move. The Ford Model T. Now, in 2025, Ford has done the unthinkable, bringing the icon back to life for a whole new generation. The legacy, why the Model T mattered. The original Model T was more than a car. It was a revolution on wheels. With a price that everyday families could afford, it transformed travel, culture, and industry. Over 15 million units sold by 1927, a record that stood for nearly a century. This wasn't just transportation, it was freedom. Why revive the Model T now? In an era of electric SUVs and hyper-tech sedans, why bring back a 100-year-old nameplate? Ford says it's about reminding the world where it all began, while proving that heritage can still lead the way forward. The 2025 Model T isn't a nostalgia project. It's a bold statement: simplicity, affordability, and sustainability still matter. Exterior design, retro meets future. The 2025 Model T's design is a love letter to its ancestor, but with every panel reimagined. The flat, upright stance is still there, now aerodynamically tuned for efficiency. The iconic round headlights are reborn as adaptive LED units, framed by brushed aluminum surrounds. Even the front emblem is a nod to the 1908 badge, but now backlit for night driving. Interior, minimalism evolved. Step inside, and you're met with a space that's refreshingly uncluttered. A single horizontal digital display spans the dash, blending speed, navigation, and entertainment in a clean, distraction-free layout. Upholstery comes in recycled leatherette or a rugged cloth option, a nod to practicality. The upright seating position keeps visibility wide, just like the original. Powertrain, the beating heart. Under the hood, well, there's no traditional hood anymore. The 2025 Model T is a fully electric city cruiser. Powered by a 65 kWh battery pack, it delivers 250 miles of range and a 0 to 60 time of 6.9 seconds, plenty for daily driving. A single-motor rear-wheel setup offers that classic push from behind, while a dual-motor AWD upgrade is available for those who need more grip. Chassis and handling. The original Model T was famous for going anywhere. Farmers drove them across fields, and families across the country. The new T channels that spirit with a lightweight aluminum chassis and optional off-road package. With a turning radius tighter than most sedans and a ride tuned for comfort, it's a car built for both urban streets and weekend adventures. Technology, the 21st century T. Don't let the retro shape fool you, the 2025 Model T is loaded with smart tech. Ford's Blue Cruise 3.0 hands-free driving system comes standard on highways. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates ensure the T stays fresh for years. And yes, it even has a built-in camping mode, so your car can power a tent, coffee maker, or even a movie projector. Sustainability, true to its mission. In 1908, the goal was to make a car for everyone. In 2025, that means making it for the planet too. The Model T's body panels use recycled aluminum, its interior plastics are plant-based, and the battery is built for easy recycling. Even the manufacturing plant runs on 100% renewable energy. Trim levels and pricing. Ford offers the 2025 Model T in 3 trims. The base, Heritage, model at just $24,995. The mid-range, Explorer, at $28,995, and the top tier, Pioneer, AWD at $33,995. In a market where the average new car costs over $47,000, the Model T is unapologetically affordable. Driving experience. Behind the wheel, the Model T feels nimble, light, and eager, a reminder that driving can be fun without 500 horsepower. The steering is precise, the suspension forgiving, and the instant electric torque means no waiting for power. Whether you're weaving through traffic or taking the long road home, it's a car that invites you to slow down and enjoy the journey. Rivals and market impact. Who's the 2025 Model T competing against? Think Chevy Bolt, Nissan Leaf, and Mini Electric. But while they focus on technology, the T focuses on emotion, blending personality with practicality. And in doing so, it might just reignite the idea that cars can be both simple and special. Closing, a new chapter. In the end, the 2025 Ford Model T isn't just a car. It's a bridge, from the dirt roads of 1908 to the electric highways of tomorrow. It's proof that the past can still drive the future. And maybe, just maybe, it's the car that will once again get the world moving.